guys, it's Dana. Today, Redken brought me here to recreate my favorite red carpet looks. I am going to be recreating a boho chic braid. It's a super undone and romantic hairstyle. The first thing I'm going to do is take the Outshine 01. This is a smoothing and anti-frizz lotion, and I'm going to disperse this from the ends and work my way up to the root. Next, I am going to wrap my hair around an iron to create a wave. And if you have a lot of hair like I do, you can go ahead and section it off to make curling a little bit easier. The next thing I'm going to do is take the Windblown 05. It is going to give you that airy texture like you've just been riding in a convertible. Next, I am going to section my hair from my ears, leaving the front hair out, and I'm going to braid the back section of my hair starting from my mid-neck. Next, we're just gonna mess this braid up a little bit more. I'm just going to grab sections and pull it apart. As a finishing touch, I'm gonna go back in with more Windblown 05 to add a bit more texture. A fun way to mix up this hairstyle is to tuck your hair behind your ear. This way you can show off any cool earrings or accessories you may have. I hope you guys found this video helpful and enjoyed my take on this polished yet messy braid.